Namaste and welcome to YouTube channel Learn Nepali, which will make your Nepali learning journey more fun and easier. So, what comes to your mind first when you hear about Nepal? Mount Everest, Momo, right? And not to forget Namaste. Namaste is common greeting, which is like hello in English. Namaste. 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 Or you can also say Namaskar. 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 Which is just saying like Namaste. Next is how are you? In Nepali, we can say तपाईँलाई कस्तो छ? तपाईँलाई कस्तो छ? तपाईँलाई तपाईँलाई कस्तो कस्तो छ? तपाईँलाई कस्तो छ? In answer, we can say मलाई ठिक छ. मलाई ठिक छ. मलाई ठिक छ. So, whenever you ask to some Nepali people, तपाईँलाई कस्तो छ? You might hear मलाई ठिक छ. Next thing is when we want to communicate to people or when we communicate to people, we want to know their name, right? In Nepali, we can say तपाईँको नाम के हो? तपाईँको तपाईँको नाम नाम के हो? के हो? तपाईँको नाम के हो? तपाईँको नाम के हो? Name basically means naam in Nepali, which might be a person, place, thing, or even food. So, the next thing is when you talk to Nepali people, one thing I can assure you that they will definitely going to ask you, where are you from? Or तिम्रो घर कहाँ हो? तिम्रो घर कहाँ हो? तिम्रो घर कहाँ हो? घर basically means home, which is a literal meaning, but in conversation we can generally refer घर as nation or hometown also sometimes, which is basically the place where you live, right? Then you can say मेरो घर काठमाडौँ हो. मेरो घर काठमाडौँ हो. And not to forget, when somebody help you, you definitely want to thank them, right? So in Nepali we say धन्यवाद. 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 Keep practicing to learn new thing in Nepali until the next time, and do comment if you don't understand anything or you feel difficulty on something. We are ready to help you. Until next time. Thank you. धन्यवाद.